Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's your girl Crystal and we in the kitchen, so you already know that means it's time for another episode of Cooking with Crystal. And I'm excited because today we're making something healthy, y'all. Now, you about to feel a little bit of irony because I said we're making something healthy and the first step is butter. So I have some garlic and herb butter and I'm going to melt that into my cast iron skillet that my husband just got me. I'm so excited about it and I love it, and I be trying to cook in it in every opportunity, which is why I'm making vegetables at 9:30 in the morning. But anyways, so this some garlic and herb butter is half a stick, and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put that into your skillet so it can start melting. So as you're starting to let that melt down, I'm going to just show you my kale. I have a kale and apple mixture here that I already pulled the kale off the stem. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get my cabbage. I have purple cabbage today. I don't know if there's like a lot of extra value in like purple cabbage or not, but I like the color purple. I like the color purple, so that's why I'm using purple cabbage. On top of rinsing my cabbage really well, I normally just peel off the total like top layer because I mean it ain't that serious. I don't need it that bad. Okay, you guys, so once your cabbage is all cut up, you're going to take it and you're going to put it into your pan along with your spinach and, kale and your apples. Okay, you guys, now I am going to just put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Y'all, my son is running through the kitchen. Now to ensure that your vegetables cook evenly, you do want to give them a nice little toss throughout the cooking process. If you like for your cabbage to be a little more done, a little more wilted, you can definitely leave it on the bottom in the pan to cook a little longer before you start tossing everything together. So that's something to keep in mind. guys, this is such a beautiful dish. And if you were looking to figure out how you can make this into a complete meal, you could get some chicken sausage, chop that up, and toss it in as well. And then you could have a whole meal in one pan.